So hello guys, welcome to the video. So in this video we will solve the question island parameter. So firstly I will explain you the question and then we will try to solve this code in C++. Alright, so what's the question? We are given input of a 2D array. Alright, so we are given an input 2D array in which we are given values 1 and 0. Alright, only 1 and 0. So why 1 and 0? Because 1 means land and 0 means water. Alright, so for more better explanation, I have created this type of array. This is not a array of this is not the replication of this input. This is another input and this is another example. All right. So 1 is land and 0 is water. So for this, what can I do? So in this, all ones are mixed up and all ones create a land. All right. So these ones create a land together. All right, and all zeros are water. All right. So now what I have to do? I have to just count the number of sides which is connected with water of lands. All right, the number of sides which is connected with water. All right. So let me count. So here number of sides are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright, so the answer for this is 14 sides. So let us go and check if the answer is same or not. So yes, the sample output is 14 only for this sample input. Alright, so now I hope you understood a little bit part of this. So now we will go on and I will try to explain you another example which I have created for you guys. So here I will write 0 at where is water, I will write 0, and where is land I will write 1. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Alright, and the land is in brown color. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Alright, so now what we have to do? We have to just count the sides. So how many sides? Let us count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, not this 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So the answer is 16 sides. Alright. So now let us count it by our own logics. Alright. This we counted manually, but we have to do this all in a program. So what we will do, we will traverse this 2D array one by one. Every box is traversed at least once, and at the first box. Alright. And what we will do at the first box, let's take an example. Let me start the question and then you will understand it. Alright. So now this is water. So I will skip this part and come in front. Come on another element or come on another box. So whenever I will do something. Whenever I will see a land, so I get excited and add 4 in the land. So my land was 0 before and I add 4 in the land, or I add 4 in the parameter. Whenever I see a land, I get excited. Just remember it like this only. Whenever I see a land, I get excited and I add 4 in my parameter. Alright, so this is done. Alright, this is also done. This is also done. This is also done. We have to do nothing at waters. Alright, we have to do only when land occurs. So now another land occurs. So for this land, when I saw land, so I get excited and I add 4 again. Alright, now for this land also I get excited and I add 4 again. Alright, why 4? Because there are 4 sides. That's why we are adding 4 every time. Alright, because of 4 sides of square. But in this band or in this block, what we see in this land or in this block, we see that there are some common edges. Alright, there are some common edges with the land which was which were occurred before. All right. So there is this common edge, and there is this common edge connected to this land. All right. So I do not have to count this edge and this edge and also this edge, because this is all the edges are inside our land, and we have to only check the edges which are outside and touching the water. All right. So what? So whenever I touch with the land, all right, let me assume that I am standing here and this is my beach or this is my land. Whenever my land is touching some another's land, so I will subtract 2 from my parameter. All right. So this is one time, and whenever it is done second time, I will again second time minus 2 from our parameter. All right. So these two are done. Now coming for this 3. So whenever I see a land, I get excited and I add 4 in it. And when I add 4, I will see that there is a common land with this land. So I will subtract 2. Alright. So this is done. Now what? I will come to this. I will come to this water. So I will skip this water. I will skip this water again. I will come to the land now. And at land, what will happen? Whenever I see a land, I get excited and I add 4. But this land is in common with the upper one, so I have to delete 2, minus or subtract 2 from it. Alright. Now don't say it is also connecting the downwards, because we are not counting the downwards land, because this land is still not used a single time. Alright. And this land is also not used single time. Alright. So now what I have done for this 4 and minus 2. Now I will traverse this 0, 0, and then I will come to this land. So whenever I will see that I came to a land, I get excited and I add 4 in it. Alright. So 4 is added. Then I will come to the another land. Alright. And here I will again get excited and add 4 in my answer parameter. But when I see that there are 2 common edges with the already occurred lands, so I have to subtract minus 2 and minus 2. Alright. So after this all calculation, let me see what's the answer. This minus 2, 4. This minus 2 and minus 2 is also 4. This minus 2, 4. Alright. So the answer is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 4 into 4, which is 16. So I will write here that 16 is my calculated answer. And when we calculated manually, we counted 16 sides, and I counted 16 sides. 16 sides with the help of program only. Alright. So this is done. This is done. Alright. So I hope you understood this logic part. So now we will go code it out and see what happens. So we are given a 2D vector passed inside our island parameter function, and we have to complete this function. So let me make this screen big. Now what we will do, firstly I have to create a parameter which is initialized from 0, because obviously we have to initialize it from 0 only, and we will count a for loop from 0 to grid size. The error was in line 14. Line 14 alright, so I spelled it wrong. So now let's run this code and see what happens. Alright, so it is accepted, and see if it passes all the test cases. I hope this passes all the test cases, because alright, so yeah, it passed all the test cases and gave us the correct answer. So it means we found the correct number of sides of island, and that is the parameter. Alright. So if you like the video, please share the video with your friends and comment down your thoughts below, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, thank you.